Good afternoon, Gavin Knox here from Hydrogen Fuel Systems Proprietary Limited in Perth, Western Australia. Here we have a Generation 15 system which is located in a steel enclosure box which measures 34 centimeters long by 25 centimeters high, so 25 centimeters wide by 32 centimeters high. So 42, 25, 30, so 42, 25, 32 high. The cells are held down securely now using tie down lock nuts which have got nut inserts installed in the base of the box and the bar across the top there, which means this unit is as secure as. Power supply is a die cast aluminium box. We're currently running at 26 amps. I'll wind that down to 18 amps. Now 15 amps right now. Bring up to 18 amps. It's 18 amps now. Okay, quite a good system. A very good system, obviously. The gas from this is collected from the bubbler and passed through this black piping, which then goes through to the bubbler over here. So the recycling container is located over the side here, made of high density polyethylene. Pumping arrangements we can see at the base of the unit back here, and we have high speed jetting on the side of this system. We have 3 individual cells which are double cells to optimize the gas production. Again, this is currently running at actually 20 amps right now and producing a hell of a gas. I can be contacted through my email. That's glknox@dodo.com.au or glknox, glknox @optusnet.com.au. My webpage is http://www.hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au. This Generation 15 system is ideal for small trucks up to 8 litres. If you wish to use these same systems on larger capacity trucks, then multiple systems of these mounted in parallel will produce double the gas, more than enough for a large 16-litre engine. Again, I can be contacted on my webpage or contacted on my email through my webpage. I can also be phoned through my mobile 040 317 7183. That's in Perth, Western Australia. 061 is Australia. 040 317 7183. Hope you're having a good day, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.